truck that is stuck up on the Zion Ponderosa area, East Zion. So called the guy, he was able to drop a pin, so we're gonna drive straight to him. Got a little bit of a drive. We'll be driving right through Zion National Park, so beautiful day. We got Ed.
Yeah, I don't know where we're going. Hang on for the ride.
Lights, and we're about to enter this tunnel. It was built in the 30s, I think, 1930s. Looks like this is going to be a pretty long drive through the tunnel. That RV driving about 5 miles an hour. Guy, I think that's his truck right down there. Here, Ed. So I'm thinking we'll pull him backwards up to the main road there.
That's just road you want to.
And then, I don't know, I'll get out and look at it. Well, this is pretty slick. I'm struggling in four-wheel drive.
Yeah, this was a stupid choice on my part for sure.
Okay, so trying to figure out here if we should just continue on out this way or if I should pull you back up to that road and then across. This doesn't look bad, so we'll just pull you out frontwards right here.
Okay.
Here, what we've got for hooks. Okay, we got a tow hook on there. All right, well, we got him out. So yeah, so that's a long way to drive for about 2 minutes worth of work, but where he was stuck is pretty remote. So now we've got to just do the reverse of what we did to get up here, drive down through Zion National Park and fight with all the tourists that are clogging the road up. But you know, we talk tough about tourists coming to the park, but they bring a lot of business, so I guess keep coming, even if it is full. What do you think, Max?
Man.
So we just got a call for an blah. And I'm wearing a coat because it's like 45 degrees out there.
I pushed the button. Did it turn off?
Nope. You restarted it. So I didn't want to let the dogs out of the Jeep, but when I opened the back, they got out anyway. So I'm letting them run a little of their energy out here, and hopefully most of the mud will fall off from them by the time we load them up.